Inclusive school culture greatly affects students' achievements and well-being. But what exactly is inclusive school culture? Well, inclusive culture starts from the premise that everyone in the school, students, educators, administrators, support staff, and parents, feels that they belong, should reach their potential, and can contribute to school life. School leaders play a significant role in creating a positive and inclusive school culture. But school principal roles are mainly understood as those focused on management and legal responsibilities. Thus, in their professional development, competencies for one of their key roles of creating a positive and inclusive school culture are often omitted. The common misconception that leadership competencies are inborn and not acquired contributes to this. That's why this project aims to address the professionalization of school principals through piloting the program of professional development with focus on inclusive school culture for 60 school principals in Croatia and North Macedonia, drawing on the best practices from Slovenia and the Netherlands. The project will also serve to engage policymakers and experts in supporting mainstreaming inclusive education professional development for school principals.